Damodar. Thank you for watching.
Ikapoy kung pungko dito. Ay, sakit na kaya kong likod. Pagkadugaya pa na itong mitinga, oy.
Alas 12 man.
You're Filipino, guys.
Ugay, kaya na human.
You're Filipino, guys.
General PTA man.
Ay, Jalpiti, dahil tanan din na meeting. Nagkakang tao.
Mukha kayo, edit kay Stalad.
Ano nag-meeting sa gym?
Lasa. Taranggon.
Kapuyan, siya kung mag-lingkoy. Kaya nga akong likod, baka sakit kayo, kadugayag lingkod. Purang mabali. Suntukon ko na yang Hoy, TV Black! Pukitaw sa imong kigol. Pukpukon ko na imong mata.
Ano dahil? Pakita sa mong ilok.
Oh,
Walang iya.
Ito. Yung ilok
Ah.
ta. Yung ilok ta.
Ay, sa ilok.
Ay, ito sa galibo na.
ay, Ginoo.
Wala ka pala akong ilok. Tukot yan na.
Hala, nabuta si puti.
Katawa pong buang, oh. Katawa po kada. Oh.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Damodar. Damodar. Ay, Damodar.
You ko like you.
Thank you.
Mali, kilo dong, Jobilil.
Watching.
Bapar, MTB, Bunda, Kantik. Ano daw? Yan, welcome guys. Thank you for joining guys. You wanna see my ano? My
Welcome,
kili-kili
my live,
o
guys.
kili-kili?
Kahit malabo yung
Kili-kili.
cellphone ko.
Kili-kili.
Yung cellphone ko guys, malabo yung ano, live. Madilim yung cellphone ko eh. My cellphone is dark. Dark light. Thank you so much for watching.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon na. We went from the meeting guys, is call meeting. Hi Esteban.
Loto.
Esteban, hi.
Thank you
Good
so much, guys.
afternoon.
Hasan.
Good afternoon. Good you from Philippines.
Damodar.
I'm from Philippines.
Thank you,
Philippines.
guys.
I'm from Philippines.
Thank you for watching. Thank you.
From
for
Philippines. Isapot nung tos din gabi eh.
Okay.
Ba na lang bitaw ko ng mugos. Tubay.
Ano ka pa baga kasi naglalis.
Oh, bro, di atay. Wala, gikapoy daw siya nagkuan siya. How is the weather there? Rain or hot?
Dali, ba?
So far it's hot. but it suddenly rain. You cannot understand the weather. Because in the every day is raining. At this moment it's hot a little.
June balik klase.
But later we cannot say because this morning it's rain very heavy. It was raining
Salo.
and now it's hot.
Di magyapon ko
In the mid evening also it's raining. I don't know why it's like this. I don't know why the weather is like this here. But in the Manila, in the city, in Manila city, it's very hot. Because it's now starting the summer. March is starting of the summer in the Philippines. But in our place, it's always raining pa rin until now. It's only for this, maybe 1 hour ago that the rain was stopped and the sun was rising and you feel a little bit hot. But we don't know later